This demonstration uses a 96% sulfuric acid, a strong acid, and a 20% sodium hydroxide solution, a strong base. Take a strip of pH paper, dip it into the 96% sulfuric acid, and lay it on the pH indicator scale. The scale indicates that the sulfuric acid is a pH 0. Take another pH strip, dip it into the 20% sodium hydroxide solution, and place it on the pH indicator scale. It shows the pH of sodium hydroxide is a pH 14. We are using opposite ends of the pH scale, pH 0 through pH 14, to show the effectiveness of the Encapsulator product. Distilled water is considered neutral. A dropper is used to take the sulfuric acid and put a small pool of it on a glass dish, and dribble some of the acid on a paper towel. The Encapsulator product is then placed around the acid spill. You can see how quickly the acid is absorbed into the encapsulator. This confines the spill and does not allow it to spread. The dish is shaken to show that the acid in the center is still free flowing. Fill the center of the spill with the encapsulator, making sure that the whole spill is completely covered. Testing has shown that when the spill is completely covered, there is less exothermic action. Look at the paper towel. The acid has eaten through several layers of the towel. The next step is the demonstration on the sodium hydroxide, sometimes referred to as caustic soda. A small quantity of encapsulator is deposited on the dish. This shows the versatility of the Encapsulator product. It will work no matter which is placed on the dish first. It is indented to give the caustic soda a place to pool. A few drops of sodium hydroxide solution are placed on the encapsulator. Notice again, the liquid is absorbed quickly. More encapsulator is placed on top of this strong base to completely confine the spill. Look at the paper towel. The sulfuric acid has eaten through several layers. To remove the acid spill, a wooden pick is used. The encapsulated acid has taken on a rubberized form while reducing the off-gassing. In the work environment, a shovel or broom works well. The encapsulator has completely absorbed the acid. The acid can now be handled with bare fingers. We do not suggest this. This is part of the demonstration and not considered a good housekeeping practice. The encapsulated sodium hydroxide. This strong base is completely encapsulated while reducing off-gassing and can be handled with bare fingers. The encapsulated base has taken on a rubberized form and can be bounced to remove any unused encapsulator. Again, it is not suggested that you do this, and this is not considered a good housekeeping practice. Now for the amazing part of the demonstration. Do not attempt this. The 20% sodium hydroxide solution is taken into a dropper and is dripped on the encapsulated, rubberized 96% sulfuric acid. As you can see, there is very little reaction. The encapsulated product has encapsulated the 96% sulfuric acid to the degree that the 20% sodium hydroxide solution has little effect on it. An important point: the encapsulator product does not neutralize, it absorbs and encapsulates. The two rubberized corrosive materials can now be handled more easily and safely. The encapsulated product encapsulates most pH 0 through pH 14 water-based products while reducing the off-gassing.